Congratulations on you. We are very happy.
Hi, my dear sister. I want to say congratulations. I'm proud of you. I'm really proud of you. I'm so happy. I respect you. Congratulations, my dear sister. I'm your little brother.
ፒፒዬ ልጄ በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል ለዚህ ስላደረሰሽ። ሁላችንም ደስ ብሎናል። እግዚአብሔር እንኳን ረዳሽ። መልካም ቀጣዩ ጊዜሽ ሁሉ መልካም ነገር እንዲሆንልሽ እንመኛለን። ኮንግራቹሌሽን።
High school, congratulations on this wonderful milestone. Your hard work, persistence, and commitment have been truly inspiring to all of us. Wishing you a lot of joy.
Hi school year in Danish. እንኳን ደስ አለሽ. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. I'm so proud of you. God has helped you along the way. Keep shining and inspiring.
ታላቅ እህቴ ፒፒ እንኳን ደስ አለሽ። እንኳን እግዚአብሔር ረዳሽ። እንኳን እግዚአብሔር ለዚህ ክብር አበቃሽ። በጣም ደስ ብሎናል። አንቺ ሁላችንም ምሳሌያችንና አርአያችን ነሽ። እወድሻለሁ ሁሌም። ኮንግራቹሌሽንስ።
ዶክተር እስከዳር እንኳን እግዚአብሔር ለዚህ አበቃሽ።
የለፋሽውን በማግኘትሽ ደስ ብሎናል። ደስ ይበልሽ ዶክተር።
Dear Eskadar, I've heard that you're finishing your residency in June this year. I really want to congratulate you. You're a great scientist, you're a great doctor, you're a great mama of 3 little princesses. So I'm so proud of you that you're finishing this, and I wish you a lot of success in your future career. And I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi Eskadar. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Tremendous achievement.
Wow, yeah, what an achievement.
Yes. We also appreciate getting to know you and Bearcat and the kids. Thank you for your companionship and your friendship. And congratulations once again.
Hi, Dr. Askar.
Hi, Dr. Iski. Dr. Fitzum here. Congratulations on this monumental achievement. We wish you continued success in the more beautiful life yet to unfold.
Hello, PP. I'm here to say congratulations. We know your brilliance, dedication, and hard work has brought you to this day.
ከዚህም በኋላ ያለው የሥራ ዘመንሽ በብዙ የተባረከና ስኬታማ እንዲሆንልሽ ዘንድ መልካም ምኞቴ ነው። ተባረኪ።
ያሰብሽው ህልምሽን አሳክተሽ በማየቴ ደስ ብሎኛል።
Congratulations ኩዬ በጣም ደስ ብሎናል። በጣም አፍርተሽናል።
You are truly motivational and a living testimony of commitment and dedication. I believe you deserve every bit of this success and so much more.
It's been a pleasure getting to know you, Bearcat, and the girls, and we wish you nothing but amazing things in the future. I know God has great plans for you guys. Thank you for being in our lives and such a blessing, and congratulations again on this big achievement.
Congratulations to my amazing wife. In 20 years of knowing you, 9 years of marriage and friendship, I have witnessed firsthand your commitment, passion, and resilience and dedication to excel professionally and academically. Shout out to Mama. Shout out to Mama. Mwah. Mwah. I'm so proud of you. I want also to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt shout out to Dr. Ben, Dr. Omolara, Dr. York, Dr. Swapnil, Dr. Vedant, Dr. Stephanie, Dr. Monica, and Dr. Sion. I wish you all the best. Congratulations once again.
Hey Eskadar, I just wanted to say congratulations on your graduation from residency. What an amazing accomplishment. Pray blessings upon you and your family in this next journey of your career. Congratulations.